Hello and welcome to the Hearthstone. I'm your realtor, Felix Capitolo with the Capitolo Brothers Real Estate Group. And today I'm so excited to show you this one-bedroom unit right in the heart of Kitsilano. So let's take a look. Welcome to Unit 301. Here is a one-bed, one-bath, 623 square foot unit that has just completed a major renovation. We've brought you new vinyl flooring throughout the unit, new light fixtures, and an updated kitchen with brand new full-sized appliances. The layout of this home is just perfect with no wasted space. This being a corner unit also means you have tons of windows to bring in all that natural light. We have for you a large master bedroom with a walk-through closet and a dedicated dining area with plenty of space for your living room. Of course, we didn't forget to also give you a beautiful and bright master bathroom. As you know, the neighborhood of Kitsilano is quite iconic, so I'll let it speak for itself. If this is exactly the type of home you've been looking for, make sure to give me a call. And as always, thanks for stopping by.